Hello and welcome to the Fabrico.Design channel. We develop professional sewing patterns and make them available to every woman. Using our patterns and video instructions, you can easily sew any garment at home and feel like a designer. And in this video, we are going to sew a shirt named Caramel. The shirt features a straight silhouette with a central fastener, with buttons, with a stand-up collar, and with a low armhole line. There are chest darts on the front and a middle seam on the back. The sleeves are set in long with a central seam and a slit in the lower part. As usual, you can find the PDF pattern of this shirt in the description box below the video. For sewing this shirt, you can use linen, cotton and muslin. You will also need some interfacing and buttons. Let's get cutting. It's highly important to decade the fabric before cutting to prevent it from shrinking during sewing. We lay out the patterns on the fabric, observing direction of the grain line. It is indicated on the patterns, and trace the patterns along the contour. Do not forget to transfer all control marks onto the cutting pieces. So, cut the pieces. After cutting, double-check the number of pieces according to the pattern pieces list, and do not forget to interface the pieces as indicated on the patterns. And let's get sewing! We start with the back. Place the back pieces right sides together along the middle seam, stitch and overlock. Press seam allowances to the left side. Make two parallel top stitches along the seam at 1 mm and 5 mm. Press. And now we proceed to the front. Press the plackets on the front on the wrong side according to the pattern. Using the pattern, mark and stitch the chest darts, starting from the notches and ending at the base point of the corner. Press seam allowances down. Place the front on the back, right sides together, and sew the shorter seams. Overlock seam allowances and press to the back. Overlock the side seam allowances from the cut start mark and 10 cm up. Sew the side seams to the start of the cut mark. Overlock the seam allowance. Press the seam to the back and then press it 10 cm away from the seam. Overlock the bottom seam allowances along the front and back, press to the wrong side along the notches. Stitch the bottom corners of the plackets before the seam allowance. Bend them along the pressed seam allowance right side inside. Fold 1 cm allowance and stitch the corner into the fold. Turn out and press. Sew the pressed plackets on the front pieces. Sew hem at the bottom, press the cut allowances along the side seams by 1 cm and then again by 1 cm. Top stitch them along the entire length. Press. The next step is to deal with the stand. Press the bottom edge of the top stand by 1 cm to the wrong side. Place the top stand on the understand and stitch along the figured edge. Cut the allowances at the curves, turn them inside out and press them. Insert the stand with the unironed cut into the neckline from the wrong side. Sew in, press seam allowances towards the stand. Apply the ironed edge of the top stand to the stitching line of the understand into the neckline on the right side. Stitch smoothly, turning into a top stitch and running along the entire part of the stand. Press. And finally, the sleeves. Overlock the middle cut allowances of the top sleeve and undersleeve pieces. Sew the middle seam down to the starting point of the cut. Press allowances. Sew the bottom seam of the sleeve, overlock seam allowances and press onto the undersleeve. Press the bottom seam allowance by 1 cm and again by 1 cm, top stitch. Press the seam allowances of the cut by 1 cm and again by 1 cm, stitch and press. Pin the sleeve into the armhole, placing the pieces right sides together, sew in, overlock the seam allowances and press towards the shirt. Top stitch along the entire length of the armhole on the short side at 5 mm from the stitching seam. Make buttonholes on the right placket and stand, sew on buttons. Give the shirt a final press. Thanks for sewing with us. Subscribe to our channel and publish your photos in different social medias and tag us. You can find the link to our website in the description box below the video.